2011 Ford Escape tail light, signal light replacement. It is the same light for signal and tail light, brake light. So it's one bulb that does it all. 2 bolts holding it. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Use your hands. You don't want to mess up the thread. As I'm unscrewing it, you can see it's getting loose. So you just remove them. Once you remove the screws, it's kind of loose. You kind of play with it, wiggle. Left, right, pull, and then it comes out nice and gently. So once you have it wiggling around, you kind of pull it, not too hard, steadily. Pull it and it's gonna come out. This is the 2 hooks that's holding it there, and then the bolts, the screws go here to have it steady in place. This is the tail brake light, and just twist it to the right, and then you gently pull it out. Take the new one, slide it back in, snaps in. So my brother is gonna press the brakes. You see, comes in, turn on the signal. So this is signal. Press the brakes. He pressed the brakes. So dual function, one bulb. I'm sorry. That's how it is. See, plain and simple. Now to put it back, you just take this, you put it again where it's supposed to be, and then you can turn it this way. It's gonna stay, or all the way up. Halfway is good, and then that's how you put it back. And then for the light assembly, you make sure the bottom and the top, and then that's it. A little click, and you take your 2 little screws. Now use your hand, not fully tight, because you have to make sure nice and gently. So tighten them at the same time. So 3 turns for this, 3 turns for this, 1 turn for this, 1 turn, and then plain and simple.